Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the file and immediately checking the layer stack so nothing is hidden or locked. Once done, confirm image mode is RGB to avoid color shifts when exporting. Next, note the current pixel dimensions and X/Y resolution. This matters for print versus screen. Then choose Image Scale Image to begin resizing. This is where you control final pixels, so pause and read the dialog before changing values. Now you enter the new width and height and select the units that match your output: pixels for web, centimeters for print. Make sure to use the chain link to preserve the aspect ratio unless you intentionally want a stretch. Then choose interpolation. No halo or cubic gives better sharpness for downscaling, linear is faster. After adjusting resolution and sampling, preview mentally and click scale. Gimp resamples pixels to match the new size, which affects perceived detail. Finish by saving your editable XCF so you can revert layers, then use File Export as to create a PNG or JPEG for delivery. When exporting JPEG, set the quality slider. For PNG, confirm compression. Make sure metadata and color profile settings match your needs. If the resized image looks blurry or blocky, undo, try a different interpolation method, or scale in smaller increments. Also check the original resolution. You can't create true detail from a too small source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.